Hi, so in this video I will show you how we have decided to fix better the electronics than the first test. In the first test the electronics was very fixed in a bad way, and so the idea is to use these 4 pins that is provided in the chassis of the car, and those are made in order to fix the body. And so I want to design with a CAD frame that would be fit on these pins, and on top of this frame I will fix the electronics. This is the frame that we have designed in order to be installed on the 4 pin of the car, and so those are the holes that would be fitted in the pins, and this box here is a place where the electronics will be fixed later. We have also provided a pin in this position because we are afraid that since the point where the frame will be fixed is these 4, the frame could flex in this point, and so with this pin that touch the chassis, the frame will stay in position. On top of that there will be the main body of the electronics that will be shown in the next video. So this is the frame that you have seen in the CAD, made with a 3D print. And so we will see if it can be installed in the pins. Okay, I think they can be fitted very well. That is good. So here there is a pin that is made to avoid that the frame flex too much. So in this way the pin provides the fixing on the chassis, and so on top of this frame we will install the electronics. This is the new case that we made for the electronics, a V2 version that I will show you in the next video. And so this frame fits like that. Perfect. And so now the installation is more clean. The camera is in a higher position so the driver could see better the road from this position. We were wondering if we want to provide some angle on the camera so we will see on track. So please, if you want to see the test on track, please subscribe, follow our channel and stay tuned.